Are you tired of spending so much time on Instagram, wasting your data, scrolling from blog to blog, from Tunde now to this lover to Insta blog without making money? And you just want to know how you can actually go through Instagram, be on Instagram and make money. You are not alone. Right now, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually make money from Instagram. Whether you are a 9 to 5 or you're a virtual assistant, a social media manager, whatever it is that you are doing or wherever you are, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn your Instagram page to a money making machine. Let's dive in, guys. Hi guys, in case you're new here, my name is Natasha, and I'm a virtual assistant coach. Firstly, Instagram isn't just a place for scrolling through photos, watching funny reels. Like, it's actually a platform where thousands of people are earning real money. Yes, when I mean real money, every blessed day, and you should be one of them. You just need a solid plan, a little bit of effort, and the right strategies. Exactly. Because you shouldn't just be on Instagram wasting your data and time. Today, I'll walk you through several ways to start making money on Instagram. Whether you want to do it part time or a full time or as a side hustle, there's an option for everyone. Let's dive right in. So, section one, I've been able to come up with about 5 sections. Section one is a service based income as a virtual assistant, as a social media manager. One of the easiest way and quickest ways to start making money on Instagram is by offering services. If you know your way around Instagram, you're an expert, you can even start making money as a virtual assistant, as a social media manager. Businesses, influencers, and creators, they always and always need send DMs to them, cold DM them, client that you know that you can actually work with, and you know that they are lagging behind, they are not responding to their comments, they are not responding to their DMs, they need help. Send it to them. Some of them don't even know that they need all of these things until you are able to pitch your ideas to them. Then section two is sponsored posts and brand deals. Through influencing deals, what you do is that even if you're not an influencer, you don't have a huge following, but guess what, you don't need millions of followers to get brand deals. Here is what you do. If you want to become an influencer, if you want an influencer to contact you, or if you want to get an influencing deal, choose a niche, focus on a specific area like fitness, fashion, food. Brands actually love working with start by reaching out to smaller businesses, send them a DM, or you can send them an email to promote their product. Remember, you can start small. Think local businesses around you or startups. As you build your portfolio, bigger brands will come. Trust me. Then section three is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is something that a lot of people are sleeping on. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make passive income on Instagram. This is when you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your customized referral link. Sign up for affiliate programs on sites like Amazon, Seller. I think Seller also have that. Then you promote the product. Share the products you love and believe in your followers. You share genuine products reviews, and it be genuine, be authentic. You share it with people and they will buy from you when they trust you. Then add links to your Instagram stories, to your affiliate link, to your bio. Every time someone buys through that link, you earn a commission. Easy peasy. Then section four, sell your own products. Yes, if you have something to sell, Instagram like is a place, is a marketplace right now. There's absolutely nothing I cannot buy on Instagram. So far I discuss with my husband, or I talk about it, or I just share it with somebody, and the algorithm can pick it up that I want this thing. I start to see it online. How can you do it? Set up an Instagram shop. Instagram allows you to set up a shop directly on your profile, so your followers can actually buy from you. They can send you a DM, or they can actually, you can put a link to your WhatsApp where they can message you to buy from you. Promote your products, promote them on Instagram Reels, promote them on your stories, and use a link in your bio too. Platforms like Linktree allow you to add multiple links in your bio at once. It makes it easy for followers to click through and be able to click on what they want, so that they'll be able to find your product. What I do is that Instagram already even have an inbuilt link section also. Then section 5 is you can actually make money by offering Instagram management services to businesses. Many businesses know they actually need to be on Instagram, but they don't even know how to. They don't have time, and they don't even have the knowledge to manage it. What you can do is that you can actually go to them. If they are your local businesses, speak to them and create a portfolio, a proposal rather, so that you'll be able to see what it is that you can actually do for them. You can actually create content for them, engagement, use strategy, help businesses to grow their followers, improve engagement, and turn their audience to paying clients or paying customers. You can help with that. If you're organized and creative, social media management could actually be a good mine for you. I'm telling you, you could make a lot of money from there. There you have it, guys. Instagram is more than just a social platform where you just scroll around and all of that. It's a serious money making. Whether you're offering services as a virtual assistant, as a social media manager, or as somebody that is into business or a 9-to-5er, you can actually make money working on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment. If you have any other thing or any other questions, I'm here to help you guys. Now go turn your Instagram into your next paycheck. It's been nice chatting with you guys. Until next video, guys, see you guys, and make sure to remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye guys.